Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever lost your modeling mojo? You find it hard to finish or even start a single model kit? Do you ever look at your stash and feel overwhelmed by how many projects you've started?
Yeah, that's me.
When you sit down to work on a model, do you frequently find yourself staring off into the distance? Do you ever read the instruction sheet and start feeling your eyes glazing over? When you turn off the light to go to sleep, do you dream of the model that you haven't finished as it's being guarded by the demon Nagoroth, the whisperer of unfinished projects? And when you attempt to retrieve the model kit from him, do his piercing red eyes lull you into a state of waking paralysis where you can't discern the passing of time?
What the fuck?
When you wake up and make breakfast, do you frequently spill your coffee, still shaken by your encounter with the demon Nagoroth? And when you call in sick to work, does your boss simply repeat the phrase,
Nagoroth sees all?
When you peer into the mirror at night, do you almost yearn for the coming of Nagoroth, for his sweet embrace? When you pick up that model you've been desperate to finish, do you wish you could just surrender? Well, if you do, I suggest glue one part, paint one wheel, clean up one seam. Work for 15 minutes and quit. It's nice to take small chunks, you know. I suggest going to the hobby shop and pick up a new Tamiya kit. Experiment a little bit. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm so grateful to all of you, my amazing patrons. You are my heroes. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one. Is it over? Please let me go. Please. I have a family.